There are 5 superfoods that have a powerful cleansing ability, excellent for when you want to detox your kidneys. Yes, these 5 foods are not just healthy, they have special properties to help your body get rid of toxins, heavy metals, and to promote a healthy digestion. My name is Catherine, and today's video is going to be really amazing. There is also a surprise I want to show you, and I've ranked these 5 detoxing foods, so you'll see which one is healthier. So, if you are new here in Double O Kidney, welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. Tap the subscribe button and set the notification bell to all if you want to be notified about my next videos. And since I'm making this video especially for my loyal subscribers, I'm focusing on some of the healthiest superfoods you may still not know about. You will be able to add these foods to your renal diet without problems since they are low in phosphorus and potassium. So, let's start immediately. Our number 5 is not just a cleansing food. In ancient times, this one was renowned as an aphrodisiac, and maybe for good reason. Let's see it! Asparagus! This succulent, savory vegetable contains a stimulating blend of nutrients that help boost energy, cleanse the urinary tract, and neutralize excess ammonia, which can cause fatigue and sexual disinterest. And asparagus can also act as a natural diuretic, according to several studies, and this makes it great for a detox. Asparagus can support the natural cleansing of the kidneys and help rid the body of excess salt and fluid, making it especially good for people suffering from edema and high blood pressure. What's more, asparagus is also low in calories but boasts an impressive nutrient profile. It's rich in antioxidants, especially in the flavonoids quercetin and kaempferol. These substances have been found to have blood pressure lowering, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and anti-cancer effects in a number of human, test tube, and animal studies. Asparagus is also low in potassium, just 16 milligrams per spear. This means that it can be a regular of a healthy kidney diet. If you want to add asparagus to your meal planning, consider that it's very healthy both if cooked or if eaten raw. If you want to try asparagus raw, use a vegetable peeler, grater, or sharp knife to cut or shred the spears into fine pieces and add them to your favorite salad. But you can also cook the spears, and this is also supposed to increase the antioxidant content. In any case, opt for cooking methods that limit water and heat exposure, such as steaming, sauteing, and microwaving. Okay guys, if you think this video is helpful, share it with anyone you know who may want to keep better care of their kidneys. These foods can help them too. Okay, it's time for our number 4 now. Even healthier than asparagus. The number 4 is a highly nutritious superfood with many wholesome properties. Let's see what's inside. Barley! This ancient grain is sadly overlooked by today's culinary trendsetters. Yet, it is one of the grains with the greatest health benefits, best flavor, and versatility. It can help detox our bodies thanks to its high fiber content, great to promote regularity and to help digestion. Barley is a whole grain kidney patients can eat almost every day. Barley is low in phosphorus and potassium, unlike, for example, oats or quinoa. Still very healthy, but higher in those two dangerous minerals. Barley has also a lower protein content compared to other whole grains, and it has a higher fiber content too. And many people don't know this, but foods rich in water-soluble fiber help balance blood sugar levels. Barley can help slow down the digestion, which means the sugar from your meal isn't suddenly thrown into your bloodstream. And this is exactly what you need to detox and cleanse your kidneys. Another benefit of barley is its high level of magnesium, highly beneficial since it can help lowering high blood pressure. Yes, barley is the best friend of your kidneys. So, if you want to detox your kidneys, put barley on top of your grocery list. How to cook with it? Barley is a glutinous grain that can be used to thicken soups and stews and to replace rice in risotto and other dishes. You can also find barley flour to make a dense, chewy bread. There's also rolled barley, a hearty alternative to oatmeal. In my opinion, barley is the best whole grain out there for people with kidney disease, especially great when you want to detox your body and you need highly nutritious foods. Okay, time for our number 3 now. The next superfood has been used as a treatment for a variety of conditions, especially illnesses relating to digestion, since the Middle Ages. Today, science has endorsed many of its benefits. Our number 3 is onions. Onions are a powerful superfood and one of the best sources of sulfur. Sulfur helps to facilitate the detoxification process in our bodies by removing toxins and heavy metals like cadmium. Besides adding flavor to dishes, onions provide therapeutic and antibacterial properties that cleanse and detox our bodies. The sulfur found in onions acts as a natural blood thinner and it prevents blood platelets from clotting. And this is great because it may help to lower blood pressure and the risk of heart attack or stroke. The powerful antioxidant quercetin found in onions may also help to reduce the plaque buildup in our arteries. Onions can even help regulating blood sugar levels because they're full of biotin. Besides being good for healthy skin and hair, biotin has many positive impacts on our health, one of which is combating symptoms associated with type 2 diabetes. Another benefit, onions are very kidney friendly. They're low in potassium, just 161 milligrams for a medium onion, but are also nutrient dense. One medium onion has just 44 calories, but delivers a considerable dose of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Yes, eating just one small onion a day is a great way to help our kidneys doing their job. And they are a great way to add flavor to almost any dish. They can be sautéed, roasted, grilled. You can add onion to soups, stews, salsas, and salads. While consuming raw onions is the most beneficial, even cooked onions offer superior benefits in protective compounds, immunity support, and overall health. But which onion is best for you? Generally, yellow and white onions contain more fiber and a higher amount of sulfur, but red onions contain a higher amount of antioxidants, quercetin, and anthocyanin. Yes, red onions are superior to other types of onions. Okay, time for our number 2 now. You can't do a detox without this one. And our number 2 is, let's see what's inside. The Kidney Detox Smoothie! This detox smoothie is like drinking liquid vitamin. The ingredients in this smoothie are chosen to gently help your body naturally flush out the toxins from the kidneys while supporting your health and vitality. Also, it's really easy to make and it's delicious. What do we have here? Let's see. There's chia seeds, great for a smoothie. So, let's put 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water. This way, we'll make a gel that will add some consistency to our smoothie and some omega-3s to our diet. Really healthy. It takes about 30 minutes to create the gel we want, so consider making this beforehand. And a green apple. Green apples are lower in sugar than the red variety and they help in a kidney cleanse because apples reduce the feeling for hunger. We're going to use half apple. Let's core and chop it. One study has shown that eating an apple a day may be almost as effective as taking a statin drug at reducing the risk for heart disease. Yes, this smoothie is a great breakfast option if you want to detox your kidneys. Also, the pectin that apples contain in the peel acts as a prebiotic and may promote the growth of good bacteria in your gut. Again, great to help the body getting rid of toxins. So, let's put the apple in the blender with the peel. What else? Kale. Kale is incredibly healthy. Many people consider it the healthiest foods on the planet. So, let's add some kale. Just about 30 grams or half cup. Chop it and put it in the blender. Kale is so alkaline, it can neutralize the unhealthy effects of the less healthy foods in your diet. And add some lemon too. Okay, all of these ingredients contain just 220 milligrams of potassium. Absolutely safe. Last thing, add a couple of ice cubes. Blend until smooth and let the detox begin. Good. Okay, time for our number one now. Wait, are there foods even healthier than the kidney detox smoothie? How is this possible? Well, the number one superfood offers so many benefits for the prevention and treatment of diseases that it is often considered a medicinal food. There's just one more thing I want to show you before unveiling our number one. A lot of kidney disease patients are using this program to improve their kidney function and lower their creatinine levels. There are some very inspiring success stories here in Double O Kidney. People are reversing their kidney disease thanks to what they learned from here. This is why, if you're serious about improving your renal function, you should consider downloading this program. I'm leaving a link down in the description if you want to know more. And our number one is, let's see what's inside. Beetroot! Beetroot is gaining popularity as a blood cleansing and purifying food thanks to its incredible properties. Beetroot serves as a natural blood cleaner. It's able to help the body detox and cleanse the blood of heavy metals, toxins, and waste due to its compounds called glutathione, which are essential for detoxification within the kidneys, liver, and other digestive organs. Additionally, the fiber content in beetroot helps to sweep the digestive tract of waste and toxins while restoring healthy and regular bowel movements. Beetroot literally pushes out toxins and it massively supports kidney detoxification, making it the healthiest food of today's top 5. But the benefits of this superfood don't end here. Thanks to the nitrates in it, beetroot is great to fight diabetes and hypertension. When these nitrates enter our body, they convert into nitric oxide, which is good to repair the mitochondria, generally impaired in diabetes. Impaired mitochondria means low energy levels, so consuming beetroot regularly will help in improving energy levels and reduce insulin resistance. Also, beetroot can lower your blood pressure as much as hypertension medications, according to a double-blind study conducted within the National Institute of Health Research. Test subjects experienced a reduction in blood pressure similar to what would get with medications. So, if there's a superfood that will help you cleansing your kidneys, it's this one. It's also versatile, delicious, and easy to include in all kinds of recipes. Okay, this was our last one for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and that maybe you discovered something useful too. A new video is coming next Tuesday as usual. Don't miss it. This is all for today. See you next time.